NYC got hit with a crazy snowstorm last week. Most people stayed home. We didn't. My friend Evan and I went out and fed the homeless in NYC because when the city shuts down, the people who need help the most don't get a snow day. Then Tuesday came and we didn't stop. Back-to-back meetings with brokers and landlords from the real estate event from the week before. Watching those conversations turn into real meetings in the offices, on Zoom, in person, that's what showing up face-to-face actually does. You can't DM your way to that. VryfID is moving through NYC. Nashville, Atlanta, St. Louis are all next up. We got a long way to go, but we're stacking wins day by day, week by week. Week 33. Let's go.